Welcome to Urdu Accent and Pronunciation course. This is Tariq and today I am going to teach you my name is Tariq, how to pronounce like a native speaker in Urdu. First, my. How to say in Urdu mera, 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 mera. In original Urdu we say meem, छोटी ये, रे, alif. It becomes मेरा. मीम ये रे alif. मीम ये रे alif. मेरा, मेरा, मेरा. Repeat after me. मेरा, मेरा. मीम ये में, रे अलिफ रा, में रा, मेरा. Okay. Second one, naam. How to say naam? Noon alif meem. Naam. Noon alif na meem. Naam. I already taught you naam before in my previous lesson. Naam, noon alif na meem, naam. Tariq, but we say in Urdu Tariq. Toe, alif, re, qaf. Tariq, 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 Tariq. It's up to you. You say Tariq or Tariq. Okay. Is है, हे बड़ी ये है, है. Now I'm going to read the whole sentence. My name is Tariq. मेरा, MERA, मेरा. NAAM, नाम. तारिक, TARIQ, तारिक. है, HAI, है. Now let's come to original Urdu. मेरा, मीम ये रे अलिफ. मेरा, मेरा, मेरा. मेरा. नाम, नून अलिफ ना मीम, नाम, नाम, नाम. तारिक, तोए अलिफ रे काफ, तारिक, तारिक, तारिक. है, हे बड़ी ये है, हे बड़ी ये है. I hope you have learned this lesson and you can improve your pronunciation by watching this video. Thank you for watching this video. I see you next time. Allah Hafiz. Take care.